Welcome to the Infinite Hotel. Imagine a hotel, not just any hotel, but a hotel stretching on forever. This isn't some roadside motel. This is the Infinite Hotel, a place with endless rooms, each with a cozy bed and a mint on the pillow. It's a mind-boggling concept, isn't it? To have a structure that never ends, a place where you could keep walking down the hallway and never reach the end. Now here's the catch. The Infinite Hotel is fully booked. Every single room is taken. You might think, well, that's it then. No vacancy. And you'd be forgiven for thinking that because that's how finite things work. But the Infinite Hotel plays by a different set of rules dictated by the mind-bending world of infinity. Let's explore this paradox, shall we? Let's dive into the strange and wonderful world of the Infinite Hotel, where the impossible is just the beginning. Fasten your seatbelts because things are about to get infinitely interesting. A new guest arrives, suitcase in hand, hoping for a room. In the finite world, this would be a problem, but remember, we're playing by infinity's rules now. The hotel manager, unfazed by the full occupancy, simply picks up the phone and makes an announcement. "Attention all guests," he says with a smile. "Please move to the room next door." So the guest in room 1 moves to room 2. The guest in room 2 moves to room 3, and so on, down the infinite line of rooms. Because there's always another room, no one is left without a place to stay. The new guest happily checks into room 1, which is now conveniently vacant. This might seem counterintuitive. How can everyone shift over when there's no end to the line? That's the beauty of infinity. It doesn't behave like the finite numbers we're used to dealing with. There's always room for one more, no matter how full the hotel seems. Now, let's crank things up a notch. Imagine a bus pulls up to the Infinite Hotel, carrying not just one, but an infinite number of passengers. Even in this impossible hotel, that seems like a challenge, doesn't it? The manager, ever resourceful, simply smiles and makes another announcement. "Excuse me, guests," he says, "could I ask you all to kindly move to the room number that's double your current room number?" And just like that, the guests in room 1 move to room 2. Room 2 moves to room 4. Room 3 moves to room 6, and so on. Every guest shifts to an even-numbered room, leaving all the odd-numbered rooms vacant. Voila, an infinite number of rooms, ready for our infinite busload of guests. This solution elegantly demonstrates the power of working with infinity. By cleverly manipulating the room assignments, we can accommodate what seems impossible. Now, you might be thinking infinity can handle anything. Bring on the guests. And while it's true that the Infinite Hotel can handle an incredible amount, even infinity has its limits. For instance, what if we had an infinite number of buses, each with an infinite number of passengers? Could we still fit them all in? The answer, surprisingly, is yes, but it requires even more complex mathematical acrobatics using the concept of prime numbers. However, there are levels of infinity that even the Infinite Hotel can't handle. These higher orders of infinity, like the infinity of all possible points on a line, defy even the cleverest room assignments. The Infinite Hotel paradox, while a thought experiment, offers a fascinating glimpse into the mind-boggling nature of infinity. It shows us that the rules of the finite world don't always apply in the realm of the infinite, where even the impossible can be possible, given the right perspective.